Hey guys, Brian Schroeder here with Buyers Club. I got with me Shelly Sanders and Eric with Kwik Dry. And their company, well, it does a whole bunch of things along the lines of carpet cleaning, hard surface cleaning, and a whole bunch of other things. But I'll just let you guys talk about it. So, Shelly, you want to just tell us a little bit about your company and specifically with our audience is real estate investors. So
Sure.
how do you guys work
My
with real
native
estate?
people. My
Yeah,
native people.
exactly.
We bought Kwik Dry. That was a 2-decade existing company. We bought Kwik Dry back in November of last year. It seemed like a really good move for us, considering we are investors as well, because every project we go through, we're either changing the flooring or cleaning the decks. We do a lot of things. I'm going to let Eric talk about everything we do because he operates every single day, and I'm not going to pretend like I know what I'm talking about.
Eric's
But yeah, we bought the company just this last year. Things have been going super smoothly.
nice.
And yeah, I'll let Eric talk about all of our services.
Awesome.
Yeah, we have quite a few services that cater to investors and properties. And I handle all the operations, but Shelly's the foundation. She keeps everything running for the most part, helps me out quite a bit. So we pretty much specialize when investor-wise in carpet cleaning. So that's kind of our bread and butter. So we specialize in carpet cleaning. We do upholstery cleaning as well. We come in a lot of these properties and we're able to save the carpet, whether it's pet stains or any kind of stains for the most part. We're able to come in and restore the carpet, get that into a good working condition so you're not coming out of pocket with more money. Like I said, upholstery cleaning as well, but we also do hard surface cleaning. So whether that be concrete, we can also do hardwood flooring. We come in and we have machines that come in and strip it down and also come back and reseal it, give it a nice gloss finish. So then you're restoring that hardwood, which gives it a nice appearance. And you're holding that for where you're flipping the property there as well, instead of coming out of pocket for new flooring. So
I think with the hardwood flooring, the biggest thing to remember is we don't install flooring and we don't stand and stain flooring. But if you go into an investment property, you bought a house and it has really great wood floors that you don't want to take out because nobody should ever take out real hardwood.
Mhm.
But we can re-gloss it for you or clean it up real well and bring those good conditioned wood floors back to life.
Yeah, so a wood floor that isn't totally destroyed where you need to sand it.
Right.
You just need to buff it up and clean it up a little bit. That sounds perfect.
yeah,
Yeah.
and super cost affordable as well. You're looking at probably an average around $1.25 square foot
Okay.
for us to come in and restore those
Yeah.
and bring it back to life for you.
Awesome. So carpet cleaning, hard surface, and I guess you do like tile also, or like LV. I don't know if LVP
Yeah.
ever needs to be cleaned, but
Yeah.
I guess it does, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so we also do VCT flooring as well. You see a lot of that in commercial properties, but you also see it in a lot of homes as well. So we're able to come in, strip that down, and then rebuff that out, and then reseal it as well.
Awesome. That sounds great. And then let's move on to your duct cleaning. So that's a big one, I think.
That's my favorite,
Okay.
actually, because you find along the way, especially in your rehabs and your investment properties, you go in there and you take down every single wall sometimes, and all the drywall dust and all of the dirt and the dander and everything that gets into those ducts that you think you're cleaning up well, but you're really not. And it's just huge also to preserve the life of your HVAC system.
Yeah.
So I always tell people, or I always suggest, even as a traditional agent for my listing clients or whatever, I always suggest getting your ducts clean before after construction, before you put that out on the market and get rid of all those funny smells and all the things.
It's amazing what's in those ducts.
Yeah. It sounds like they do a pretty quick job of it too.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it only takes a couple hours. We have state-of-the-art equipment. We come in your house. We're in and out normally just, probably 2 or 3 hours. But it's something like Shelly mentioned you really want to do. So a lot of people have never had your air ducts cleaned, especially on an investment property as well. You never know what previous owners had, if they had pets, if, whatever they were cooking in the household. It holds a lot of odors, a lot of smells, right? Holds a lot of viruses. You could even, have mold in there, bacteria. What we're able to do is we do contact cleaning. So we have machines that go in there and it cleans all the walls of your vents. Okay. And then we're able to come in and then we're able to sanitize that as well. So the good thing is we're able to come in, clean that out for you and then get rid of any odors for you. And it's a pretty seamless process and it's a very clean process as well with our state-of-the-art technology.
Awesome. And then the next thing that you guys do that I think is a great service for our investors is the storm restoration. Can you touch on that a little bit?
Absolutely. Yeah, we've been very busy lately with all the rain we've been having.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of people calling us, whether it's your sump pump backing up, or even maybe your gutters are being clogged up and all the water has kind of seeped into your basement. So when people call us, they're pretty much pretty excited, saying my basement's flooded. So we get out there, we're able to get out there, extract all the water out of the basement, whether you have carpet or any kind of flooring or no flooring at all. And then we have all the equipment to come in there too, with all the fans and then all of our dehumidifiers. And then you don't normally have it all dry within about 48 to 72 hours. The great thing is, depending on what your deductible is, we're able to do it for a lot less than your deductible. And then that way it saves you money, as a homeowner. And you're also not filing, a claim on your insurance, which helps you out as well. Makes you less of a high risk. So it's a win-win situation for the customer.
Awesome. So just to review real quick, it's basically carpet cleaning, hard surface cleaning, duct cleaning, and the storm restoration are your main focuses, I guess you would say.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we offer another variety of services, but those are our main divisions.
Okay.
But you can go to our website as well and see exactly that we have a lot of other services that we offer.
Yeah, and we'll have a link in here for your website. Are you the person to contact, or who's generally the person to contact?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
you can contact me. Our personal company cell phone's on the website. So if you're texting or whether you're calling, more likely you'll be speaking with me, and I look forward to speaking with you.
Thanks, Eric. Thanks, Shelley. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.